Have you ever tried to eat 2-minute noodles raw and without any flavouring? Well, don't. It's bone dry, bland and boring. In the same way those noodles are bland without the flavour, the Stile X notebook isn't really complete without the Stile X app. So, here I'm going to show you how to download the Stile X app and connect it to your existing Stile account. That's going to unlock model answers, videos, flashcards and quizzes. It's a simple 3-step process. But before we get into it, let's make sure we've got all the ingredients. You'll need your Stile X notebook, a phone, and a computer or tablet. Have you got all three? Good. Let's get started. For step 1, grab your phone and search for Stile X. If you're using an Android, search in the Play Store. Or if you're using an iPhone, search in the App Store. Once you're on the Stile X app page, hit download or install to get the process started. While you're waiting for the app to download, let's start step 2. Grab your computer and log in to styleapp.com. If you don't have a Stile account yet, talk to your teacher. When you're logged in, find your profile page by clicking on your name in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once there, click Connect to Stile X app, and you should see a QR code like this. Once the Stile X app is finished downloading, open it up and hit Let's Go. Then, log into Stile. On this screen, use your phone to scan the QR code on your computer or tablet. Now your profile is linked, it's time for the third and final step. You should have a screen on your phone that says Link to Stile X book. Tap it. Then find the Getting Started with Stile X page in your notebook. With your phone, scan the QR code on this page. That's it. We're finished. You've unlocked all the content on your Stile X app.
Nice.
Now you should be able to have the full, flavoursome, and sometimes spicy Stile X experience. Oh, but if you have any troubles at all, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.